In this demonstration, we will add an automated task. Add an automated task to a single device or multiple devices from the main dashboard. In the north pane, right-click on the device name, go to Tasks, and select Add. The Add Automated Task window appears. Tasks are sorted into categories and can be found using the search bar. Only scripts associated with the device's operating system are displayed. Some tasks include a description of the script in the description field. Select the script from the list and click Next. In this example, we will download a script that will retrieve a list of installed applications on the selected workstation. Enter a name for the task and any script parameters. Tasks can be set to run once per day or month, manually, or in response to a failed check. If set to run on a schedule, select the month or day of the week and time. When selecting a day on a monthly schedule, be mindful that the day is absolute. If the 30th is selected, the task will not run in February, which only has 28 days. In this example, we will set the task to run on the first day of the month at 8 a.m. Click Next to continue. To run a task for a limited period, check the box and select the start and end times. Set the execution timeout, and check the box if the task should run if the scheduled time is missed. In this example, we will not set start and end times, but will have an execution timeout of 1 hour and will run the task when possible if the time is missed. Click Finish to save the automated task. View the new task in the south pane under the Tasks tab. To run the task immediately, highlight the device in the north pane. Right-click on the task name and select Run. The Task Refresh button is in the top right corner of the south pane. Click Refresh to view results of the check.